is sort of a surprise interview. This is not something that you would normally find on the agenda out here, but I found some cool folks out in the smoker's pit. That's really where you go if you want to dig around in the subculture of QuakeCon. And I found some fascinating folks with Leap Computing. This is Alex sitting next to me here. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Alexander Natteris. I'm the founder and CEO of Leap Computing. So a little bit about who we are. We are the first people in America to provide a completely graphically accelerated virtual environment, so you can log in from any device and do gaming or any sort of creative work from any mobile device. All the actual processing and graphics happens completely in the cloud, so you can take it anywhere you go.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time engineering this. Put a lot of work into it. We have some really fantastic custom-made hardware that allows us to give all of our users a really smooth, fluid environment. So, you get a complete Windows 8 desktop. Right now, we're in beta, so it's actually free to use our service on leapcomputing.com. But you get a complete Windows 8 desktop with all your video games on it, anything graphically intensive you want to take with you, stream it down to any device.
Now, without giving away the farm, tell us a little bit about how that works.
So, essentially, we have data centers that are located across America. More opening up this year. But your desktop that you actually use with our service is stored up in the cloud. So everything you do is happening in one of our servers in a data center in a rack somewhere where all your data is really secure and on a really fast fiber connection to any device you're on. We send out our service through multiple internet service providers, so always making sure that your latency is really low if you're doing first-person shooter gaming or getting a good frame rate out to our users who are doing video editing and things like that. So
it's fantastic. You're basically lending the processing power of a major machine to any device.
Yeah, it's essentially, yeah.
So you could do like some heavy, I think CAD earlier. You can do like heavy CAD work on your iPhone.
Yeah, absolutely. A large section of our beta users right now do professional engineering, where it's super intensive CAD drawing, and they need to spend like 10 grand on a workstation or something just to keep up with their workflow. But our model is, hey, rather than pay for that computer, get fractional calculated time, do all your processing for just a little bit a month. So
that's awesome. Now, the quick focus on the gaming. Do you guys have games already available to play over the system?
So right now you get a Windows desktop completely, so you can install your games that you already own up there.
You can install from your desktop onto
our desktop.
It's awesome.
So basically, like if I just went out and bought Crysis 3, I can just install it on my cloud desktop and play it through the cloud. So I have my iPad with me. I'm at a diner. As long as I'm getting about 500K, not even a megabit, I can play a completely seamless environment and play my games anywhere I go.
That is impressive.
So we're trying to nail down some co-branded deals with gaming providers so that we can ship the environments with gaming. Right now we're in our beta phases, so we haven't announced any of those partnerships, but we're definitely going to have some included software that rolls out whenever we're fully live.
That's fantastic. Now, she also mentioned that you have invented a rather unique cooling system.
Yeah, so all of our servers are liquid immersed in oil. So this keeps our servers really cool and allows us to maintain some really high density on some of our proprietary hardware.
This has a very green aspect.
Yeah, absolutely. It's super eco-friendly. We consume a lot less energy because we don't need to rely on air conditioning systems.
Right, and fans and
fans always warming up. We can store all of our servers in a hot room. Basically, just with fiber and power, we don't need to keep it at 60 degrees or anything like that. And since everything is actually contained and sealed, we're not worried about dust particulate or anything like that as well. So it's super ecologically friendly from a server perspective, and also on the client end too. You're being ecologically friendly because if I have a gaming machine, right, I'm pulling what, 800, whereas if I could use, a low power computer and offset all my power on the cloud, you're sharing that computing with everybody. So you're pulling 10 watts out of your wall instead of 1,000. And we're basically 180 watts of power in our data center serves 100 people. So it's super.
One more time.
180 watts of electricity in our data center serves 100 actual users.
Folks, I don't know if you're familiar with thermodynamic math, but that is incredible.
Yeah, it's taken a lot of engineering and effort, but we're really excited about how much power reduction we're actually taking to the end user. And it's been an interesting thing too, because it's like where we live, it's like 17 cents per kilowatt hour that I pull out of the wall.
Right.
And we're launching our regular service at $29 a month, and it actually worked out on a 1,000-watt computer. I was paying more for electricity for that month than the service was. So,
folks, can't argue with that. That is absolutely amazing. So when can we expect to start seeing this go more wide scale?
So our wide scale launch is in 60 days. Until then, from now, if you sign up for beta, the next 60 days are free for people to try out. And if you're on leapcomputing.com and sign up for the beta, you can put QuakeCon 2013 in there, and we'll make sure to expedite you on the list.
Awesome. Are you excited?
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Are you excited about it?
Oh man, I'm really excited. It's been intense.
So I can't say enough good things about this. This is one of those times when technology is just it amazes you. It really does. All right, man. Well, I appreciate it. This is fantastic. Go ahead and pimp out your websites and all your information right there.
Awesome. So it's www.leapcomputing.com, LEAP computing.com, and you can click on our products page and sign up for the beta. So limited seats available, but we're taking priority to people who enter QuakeCon.
Seriously, folks, you should check it out. I just happened to run across these guys. Where are you guys from, actually?
We're located out in Austin, Texas.
Austin.
So that's where.
That is a great town.
Man, we love it there, and it's where we live. It's our first data center location. We're rolling out more.
It's fantastic. Well, what do you think about QuakeCon?
It has been a riot. It's really surprising. I mean, I've heard a lot of things about it, and
how'd you guys find
we're watching a PC perspective video, and they were talking about ready to go to Dallas for QuakeCon, and we're like, Dallas for QuakeCon? So we just kind of looked into it. It's been fantastic. The people here are great. There's lots of tech, lots of cool PC rigs laying around.
Right.
It's been really neat just interacting with everybody and seeing what's going on.
Awesome. You should